Hey there, welcome to another video where we tackle a tricky tech problem. Today's challenge revolves around an iPhone in a home network that just refuses to handshake properly with a VPN server. The user has set up a Debian box as their VPN server, also serving as a DNS server, behind an OpenWRT router. 3 peers are successfully connecting to this server, but the iPhone is causing some trouble. It connects only when on the local network and fails to forward internet requests. Even on data, the handshakes don't reach the router. Let's dive into this interesting problem and see how it was resolved. So, the solution to this conundrum was quite an interesting one. By assigning a remote DNS server, in this case, code 8.8.8.8 code, to the phone low on data but not on Wi-Fi, the iPhone started playing nice with the VPN server. The key adjustment lay in configuring the bind9 server on the VPN server to listen on the VPN network, explicitly allowing queries from the VPN subnet. Additionally, setting the remote DNS server on the iPhone's WireGuard configuration to point to the Debian box as the DNS server made all the difference. This tweak allowed the iPhone to handshake properly and forward traffic seamlessly on both data and Wi-Fi connections. Sometimes it's the small details that make all the difference in solving a tech problem. In summary, we've successfully troubleshooted and resolved an iPhone connectivity issue with a home VPN server. By configuring the DNS settings correctly on both the server and the iPhone, ensuring they can communicate effectively, the handshake and traffic forwarding concerns were addressed. Remember, it's not always a complex solution that's needed, but rather a keen focus on the details. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting